going on, everybody? Once or twice a year we do this, and I put out a sale on our kettlebell fundamentals for longevity. This is a great way to get started into training with kettlebells, whether you're a power lifter or just trying to get into it at all. It can set you up to get into kettlebell sport if that's something you're interested in. But this is going to cover, the regular swing, clean, overhead presses, all the proper warm up, the stuff that we do at Swing This Kettlebell and Strength to get you ready. Turkish getups, all that stuff. It's a basically 1 month program. There are 4 workouts involved and they rotate. So they're all linked into videos and stuff that you can use. You can hook it up to your phone. It's got a welcome guide that has a lot of information on how to incorporate kettlebell training into your existing exercise plan or lack thereof. So anyway, give me a shout today. Normally it's $50 and right now it's going on, I'm going to put it at 25, so basically 50% off for this time of the year to get you started on the New Year's right. And we have so many other programs built off of this one. This is the first one basically that I give people to start off either learning or getting back into doing stuff. So anyway, give me a shout, put your name down below or your email, and I can shoot you a message, send you an invoice. Talk to you guys later. And if you like this, make sure that you give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we can get this out to as many people as we can, because you're going to get real, no BS information on kettlebell training, not just a bunch of stuff to get people to buy things. Anyway, later.